All right, y'all, road to road legal. Here we go. So far, we've got DOT glass in the front and back. And if you look down in there, which is impossible to see.
Yep, ain't got no lights.
That is a lock for the brake. State of Michigan requires a locking parking brake independent of the transmission. So that's what that little guy is. That thing, it's like 17 bucks on Amazon. Easiest part to install the whole process. Today we're going to do turn signals, front and rear, and a horn. And then after that, we need to get some DOT tires on here. And we're also going to do a license plate bracket today. That'll go right in here somewhere. So, come along and we'll see how it goes.
WD Electronics street legal turn signal kit. Apparently comes with everything you need. Pre-wired turn signal, all pre-wired, everything's ready to go. Plug and play kit. Yeah, there's some front lights, your horn. Pretty good.
See how we do, Ricky.
I'm nervous.
I know, me too.
This is your new toy. I'm letting you break this stuff. I'll help you wire it. I'm not gonna help you break it. Boy, she don't pull towards the steering wheel. Oh boy, that looks really violent for. Oh wait, you kind of see him. Yeah, it looks like he goes that way, not that way. You want me to show you? It looks like what you're doing, bendy, is gonna go poorly. It's gonna kind of open here. Oh yeah, that's something. That sounded too much.
You snapped out. It's still got it.
No, I just messed around.
Okay, let's hope we never have to do that again.
Okay, got it off. It's terrifying. Here you go, bud. Here's your turn signal. Remember it, so make sure your steering wheel is straight. I don't know why, because this doesn't move when you do that.
I don't know either. That might stick clean today.
Yeah. Dang, look at that.
Yes.
Yeah, I said, wire that all sucker on through.
Easy enough.
Yep.
I like how they fucking gave me to the millimeter zip ties.
You want to connect two? I know you got spares.
I know. You should cut these at a 45.
Yeah, the sharpest angle you can get them at is what I always try to cut mine at. Or at least that's how they did it on that snowmobile I'm working on right now. The most aggressive angle to dig into your skin. Went through here. Oh, in there. Ah, yes. Does it go through in there?
I think so.
Okay, how far can you stretch that thing? Dang it. Yeah. Okay, a little pronger up. Click.
Click, click. Click, click.
Power gets routed right through pre-existing connections. And then
Polaris bus bar.
bus bar, yeah, nifty. And then over here to the control module where it'll just hang out for a bit. Don't want to power it yet. Did you get that first try?
Yeah.
What was it?
It is a T20.
T20?
Gotcha.
Okay.
Watch me strip these bolts out.
Pretty loose. I don't want to get it too far. I have to pop out.
Okay.
We figured out on this side. You gotta connect these LED strips in there. So currently Riley is not removing, but loosening the adjusters for the headlamp so that we can get a gap in between there and the plastics to put that LED strip in. Alright, this connector. Boop. 4-pin connector. Verify it snaps. Snapped. Now, these are going to get wire wrapped through here and then down through here. And then underneath they're going to get split into these plates. See, they got like a driver's side. Can't get back in? That's probably the worst one that's taken out too. Oh my goodness, Riley.
Get her, we need a jack.
Oh man. These lights are held down by a little, like a bullet here, here, and over here somewhere. Do not take this top one all the way out. It's the hardest one to get to. You'll hate yourself for it.
Confirmed. These ones are marked, right?
They are. Driver's side. This one goes back to you.
They give us enough wires. These headlights could have been 12 foot farther apart.
Yeah, they really give you a lot for that, don't they?
All right, front side's done. Moving to the rear. First step. We gotta get to
Factory connector.
that connector, I think.
Let me go to this side.
Is this connector here?
Yeah, I think it's that one.
Or is it this one?
No, I think it's that one.
We better check. This one.
That'd make more sense. Go straight to the back.
Click, click.
Click.
Verify,
Click.
Verify, click.
I think that's simple, huh? Yeah, they showed one up there. And there's one on the reverse of that, towards the rear. Almost where your right hand is right now. And then there's one more that they show. She's like up in there. In that kind of, yeah, somewhere up in there. How about a T40? Try that guy.
Mommy.
Nice.
Impact gun. Impact gun close.
I'm sure there's one around here somewhere.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, a little smarter, not harder. Here we go. Bag tape got ya.
That's sad because I like that.
Oh, look at it. She just popped off. Seems so much more free.
And do we really think we need to get in the passenger side?
Well, my thought was, do you have any electric tape?
Fish tape? Yeah. Yeah, I got a fish tape.
I bet we can push it that way and not that way. Probably a lot of this. Okay, hooked one up here, coming down through the dash. We threaded a thingy, a line. Fish tape, yeah, for fishing. They wanted you to pull this thing, but we fish taped it. Seemed easier. Yeah. Look at my wiener, man. Got stuck on a few things, but we got it. Now we just got to thread it up through here-ish and plug it in over there-ish. Okay, got this end routed all the way to the back here. Get some light on it. There we go. Back over there. And Riley's buttoning up some wiring in here. And we got to do a little bit more cleanup back here with some zip ties, but getting places. This poor guy. I got a feeling Riley orders heavy stuff all the time. Next part of this process, Riley has to cut out a hole for the rocker switch, and then the horn switch looks like this guy. Gets threaded in there. The line coming down to the controller here on the blue. It came out pretty easy. Okay, it's okay, guys. It's supposed to do that.
Surprisingly easy.
Yeah, that popped right out. Okay.
Oh, mother.
Oh, you cut yourself good, didn't you?
Yep.
Good thing you got a new blade on there. Always be careful with knives. Okay. Switch is in. Riley's got his Band-Aid.
Only bleeding a little bit.
Okay, I got horn stuff going in. This kit utilizes one of the bolts that holds in the bus bar for the horn. Nifty. Somebody was really thinking.
Classic left hand.
Put the top two screws in there where they go.
This gets smashed.
I don't think that gets smashed. I think it goes back behind it. Verified.
Click.
And then those go into those bullet connectors down yonder.
Bang, bang, bullet.
Black on black, red on red.
Always bet on black.
Always bet on black.
Oh, we gotta get this part.
Yep, so that part's got to plop open. This was behind the instrument cluster, in case you guys are curious. Pull these guys. Why don't you pull on them a little bit? Yeah, there we go. And then this one. Yeah. Now we're pulling out pins 5 and 6.
That's
6 and 7. Mm-hmm. Oh, did I click?
There we go. Unclicked.
Neato. Create new pins. It's nifty. Here's your piece.
That's later.
Well, okay.
Okay, now I need that.
Okay, now. It's not that much later. We're getting close here, guys. Brought that guy over, snapped it in. Now we're doing bullet cable, power bullet cables to power bullet cables. It's raining on me, but we got to, I think.
Does it work?
Oh.
You got lights?
Yeah, we got lights.
All right, let's try a signal.
Are you doing
Left.
Yeah. Left. Right.
See if our signals are right back here. Ah, we're opposite.
Shoot. Easy fix.
Easy fix.
I don't understand this back here. What does that do? It's plugged in, but like nothing's happening. Like, where is it supposed to light up from? That's not lit up at all.
No?
Uh-uh.
You want the lights on?
No, because I can see a little, there's an LED strip under here that's not lit up at all. So, bit of an issue here. The headlights don't want to come on anymore. Now, why would they just stop? More fiddle.
So, WD, this here license plate bracket with the nice DOT required light. If you come over here, you can see that that wire hits our bracket. The wire that's back there hits the bracket. So the only way to get that bolt in the hole is to pinch the wire. And when we did that, we blew fuses like they're going out of style.
Instantly.
So,
and lost the headlights because of it.
we're gonna test out WD's customer service and see if they stand by their product.
Because that's the only thing that we took off.
And this arced.
Yeah, it was sparking.
We'll see.
Everything works with it unplugged.
We'll see. We're gonna test their customer service. This was not the cheapest thing on the market. This was a high-level kit to buy. So hopefully they stand behind their product and they send me another one. And it works so good.
Yep.
We'll let you know. But we got some plastics to put back on, so let's do it.
Yep. Whoa, hi beam. Hey-oh. And we got it right. Whew, boy. She's getting there. Almost street legal. Close, very close.
On to the next step.
Yeah. Leave a comment if you think Riley should get more lights in his garage.
Come on. I'm working on it.